Now y'all know we have some shit to talk about today, okay? So let's go. What's up, y'all? Your girl, City, and yeah, y'all, we back up in this motherfucker for another motherfucking video. Look, y'all already know we gotta talk about this shit. Y'all disregard what the fuck I look like, okay? Some breaking news that happened, and a bitch had to get on camera and do a Let's Talk Shit video. Real quick, if you don't know what a Let's Talk Shit video is, it's basically when we talk shit about whatever the fuck is going on in celebrity gossip, celebrity news, or whatever the fuck. And in this particular case, I don't even think I can talk shit. This is just literally me telling y'all what the fuck just happened in these last few minutes, and to give y'all an opportunity to chime in on the shit and tell me what y'all thought when y'all heard. And if you haven't heard, you about to hear that shit from me, okay? Bill Cosby has been officially convicted, and let me tell you what he was convicted of, okay? Specifically, he was convicted of 3 counts of aggravated indecent assault, okay? Y'all, this shit is real. He is going to be potentially serving 10 years for each of those counts. So this motherfucker's gonna be in prison potentially, okay, because he is 80 years old, and I'm not trying to wish anything like that on him. I don't wish that upon anybody. However, he is finally now convicted, okay, of those 3 counts. Now, this literally just came out in these last few minutes. I legit just got up from whatever I was doing, turned this motherfucking camera on, and was like, we gotta talk about this shit. So first and foremost, tell me what y'all thought the minute you found this out. Like, when you saw that news break, what was your first and initial reaction, okay? Number 1. Number 2, comment down below. Do y'all still think that he is guilty, or do you guys believe that he's innocent? There are still people out there that believe that he is innocent. You know, we are all, by the way, entitled to our own opinions, okay? And so I want everyone to be very, very, very respectful in the comments, all right? Just understand there's going to be people with different viewpoints and opinions. Not everyone's going to believe he's guilty. Not everyone's going to believe he's not guilty, okay? But comment down below, holla at your girl, let me know if you guys still believe that he is guilty or not, okay? But real talk, y'all, like, I'm shook. And it's not that I never thought he was going to get convicted. I truly believed he was eventually going to get convicted. Like, one of these things was gonna stick, okay? Literally more than 50 women at this point have come up against Bill Cosby, okay? This motherfucker was living foul, okay? Real shit. And I mean, that's just my personal opinion. I mean, everything I say in this video outside of the conviction is alleged, okay? However, if I was a betting woman, I would bet he did that shit. Now look, I know that's not the most popular of opinions, okay? However, it is what it is, and he is now convicted, okay? So I just recently saw the news broke, then I saw the reaction that some of the women had, some of the accusers had, after the verdict was read, and that was just so sad. Like, that just tore me up. And I mean, there's a lot of things that were kind of iffy about all of these things, okay? We can all say that, but the reality is some wasn't kosher, some wasn't, you know what I mean? Now, here's the thing, real shit. And this just literally broke, so I'm so curious to see what's gonna happen from here. First and foremost, if you guys saw what happened after the verdict was read, okay? He didn't get let off in handcuffs. He was actually let out into a hallway, like a little private hallway. He wasn't let off in handcuffs. He was able to walk out free and kind of be held by whoever he was standing next to. This motherfucker's 80 years old, okay? And he's losing his eyesight, so he was being guided out. But again, he wasn't guided out in handcuffs, so y'all know, I mean, it would have been a different situation had it been another motherfucker, but you know, this is Bill Cosby, right? Cliff Huxtable. Now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, real shit. I mean, this had me shook. Even though I knew eventually they were going to convict him, in my heart, I felt like he was gonna get a conviction. This was gonna happen at some point, okay? Did I know it was gonna happen today? Hell no. But did I think eventually it was gonna, yeah. I felt like eventually one of these was gonna stick, okay? But y'all, I'm not gonna front y'all, and tell me if any of y'all react or have reacted this way. This is Cliff Huxtable. Now, I know that's a character that he was playing, but y'all, I watched the Cosby Show religiously. You hear me? Like, that was, to me, the epitome of a beautiful black family and an amazingly beautiful, loving, husband slash father. Yes, I know, bitch. He was a character, and it was a character he was playing. I get it. However, that's what you think when you look at Bill Cosby. That is the person that you think of when you see Bill Cosby. You know what I'm saying? Like, I am so motherfucking shook, but at the same time, like I said, I just knew in my heart of hearts, in my spirit, that motherfucker was gonna get convicted, okay? The other thing I have to ask after all of this, okay, because this is literally the first real conviction that has happened after the Me Too movement has started back earlier, a few months ago, right? Is I wanna know what the fuck they gonna do with what's that motherfucker's name? Harvey Weinstein. Okay. When the fuck's he gonna have, you know, his day in court? Okay. Another motherfucker who's been just skating by like a bitch. I mean, real shit is what's that motherfucker's name? R. Kelly. When the fuck are we gonna put his ass under the jail? We know his ass is out here living dirty. There's motherfuckers out here currently talking about his ass doing dirty, nasty motherfucking things, and that still walks these streets as a free man going to motherfucker. I know y'all saw the meme where he was at a basketball court or whatever, and people were like, I hope that shit ain't no high school basketball court, which I thought the same thing before I even saw the motherfucking meme. Look! What the fuck you gonna do about them two motherfuckers? That's what I wanna know. You know what? The entire world is just, there's so much shit going on right now, okay? Let's see, this week Meek was let out of prison. So because he got let out, they took Bill, okay? So we got that. We got Kanye tripping the fuck out, okay? And I'm not gonna sit here in front like, what the fuck is going on with that motherfucker? Like, I feel like mentally, and I've always said this, y'all that have been longtime followers know I have said this, because, and I know this is off topic, but just real quick, just walking with me for a minute, you know what I'm saying? I'll get back on in about 2.5 seconds. But Kanye, to me, has not been himself. Not that I know that, you know what I mean? I don't know him. However, if I was a betting woman, I would bet to say that when his mother passed, that was when things went awry with Kanye. Like, I felt like that's when he had the mental break. And I think it's just slowly but surely just progressively gotten worse. I feel like he's bipolar. I feel like there's a lot going on. I am no psychologist, okay? This is just from observation. But y'all, if you guys have seen his recent tweets, y'all know what I'm talking about. That motherfucker, I don't know, you know, freestyling at TMZ. Why the fuck you calling them motherfuckers to freestyle? I don't know. Make America great again. Why are you wearing the hat? I don't. Anyway. Okay, so we got that going on. I mean, there's a lot of shit going on. Shit, Donald Trump's in office. There's a lot of shit going on in this world today, okay, that just don't make no motherfucking sense. And then this happens, okay, which I know a lot of y'all probably thought he was going to get convicted too. At least that's kind of the, you know, what I'm getting from people. But like I said, comment down below, holla at your girl. Let me know what your initial reaction was. Do you at this point believe that he is guilty of at least something? Okay, of at least one of these allegations that have come out, okay? And yeah, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. He's losing his eyesight. He just recently lost his daughter just a few weeks ago, okay? Who was a big supporter of his. He's 80 some odd years old. I mean, he's likely, if he makes it to prison, and this is not me just putting that out there in a negative way, but he's likely gonna die in jail, okay? This is just a horrible, horrible ending to what was supposed to be an amazing legacy for him and his family, Camille, whoever, everyone that was involved in the Cosby Show. This is literally what is gonna follow the Cosby Show and all who took part in it, different world, whatever the fuck, all of that is gonna follow those shows. That's what you're gonna remember from those shows. Of all things, that's gonna be at the forefront of every single thing having to do with the legacy of those things. It's just unfortunate, you know. But yeah, y'all, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, okay? And again, I have to ask Harvey Weinstein, R. Kelly, especially Aura, okay? Especially Aura. Can we do something about that motherfucker? Can we do something about him, okay? Because we know he living foul, all right? Anyway, while you guys are here, thumbs up this video if you love seeing these videos from your girl, okay? Subscribe if you guys have not already, because we do a whole hell of a lot of everything on this motherfucking channel, okay? If you guys want me to do a Let's Talk Shit video on a future celebrity gossip topic, tag me on Instagram on said topic. I will see it. And if I get enough of those, I will do a Let's Talk Shit video on said topic. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, Socialite Sande, S-A-N-D-E, okay? That is down below, and I will put it right up and through here so y'all can check it out. If you guys have not subscribed to my daily vlog channel, invite you to do so because all of the vlogs that I've recently uploaded they're just fun. They're just amazing. We just got back from an amazing birthday trip. A lot of you guys don't really know where we went, and if you guys want to know, go to the daily vlog channel, The Socialite Life TV, and you will see the penthouse that we stayed at, because we stayed at the most amazing penthouse ever, okay? And had an amazing time at said location. Just go to the channel, check it out. Holla at your girl down below, okay? Love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video.